So if you ever run into one of those situations where you're using an older trailer and trying to attach it to the vehicle and things just aren't quite lining up, well, we've got the solution for you here. And we can use our extension piece, plug it into the truck, and plug it into the vehicle. And we've just extended our line another 24 inches. Now we don't want too much slack that might be laying on the ground, so at some point we might tie it up to the tongue of the trailer here, but we want to have ample slack so that we can make turns safely and not rip this apart.